Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog and the T-Rex from Jurassic World as one character. It's going to look crazy. Let's jump into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between the T-Rex and Shadow the Hedgehog. So let's do it. A lot of it's going to be mostly face. So let's do it right now. So we're going to go right here. And I'm going to draw a little bit of the ridges of the upper part of the T-Rex mouth. Right there. Right on. Going to go over here and it's going to pull into the brow of the T-Rex. Right, the brow is kind of that how do you say that area of the eye that covers the eye? Gonna go right over here. T-Rex eye. Line over here. So far it's just kind of T-Rex stuff right now, right? So far. Curve up. And line up over here. Again, more T-Rex stuff. Cool. Let's start slipping into a couple of shadow stuff. So right now I'm going to go right here. I want his ear. Right there. Going to go over here on this area. Back over here for one of the spikes. But on this side I'm going to curve over here and go for that upward spike. Those two upward spikes that Shadow has. There we go. So far, so good. This mixture, by the way, please give me a name for this guy. What would it be? Like T-Rex and a Shadow. What would that name be, though? Please give me like a name, and I'm gonna what do you call it? I'm gonna pin the favorite one. If you're the only one that does it, you're gonna be pinned forever on this video. So definitely give me a name, an idea. Gonna go over here. Line down over here. Line down over here. Kind of looks like a little bit like bananas, I heard. The T-Rex, like very banana shape. There you go. Curve line underneath, like there. Line out over here, and that mouth is open right there. He is mad. He is a mad Shadow T-Rex. Line down over here for the jaw, the lower jaw, and it's gonna curve underneath there. Gonna go here underneath. More banana shapes over here. Curve line over here and down. That shadow shape right there, and we're gonna pull a line down over here for the back of his neck right there. So far, a pretty good start, honestly. So let's go over here and we're gonna draw a little line right there for that eyeliner that Shadow has. We're going to put over here on this T-Rex shape. Over here, needs to breathe. So we're going to give him a nostril. I'm not going to give him Shadow's like big bulbous nose. I'm just going to give him a nostril right there. And let's draw the teeth and back. Tongue out right there. Line right here. So far, so good. Line in there a little bit more for kind of the shadow inside the actual, not the shadow, but you know the dark shadow in the mouth right here, because you know it's hidden back there. Line over here. Right there. Line over here, right? You want to make them look a little bit madder, right? We want to at least give them some, how do you say it? Some kind of spice going on right here. Maybe right here, like this little neck vein that the T-Rex has. Okay. Go over here to the top. Line down. It's going to be that color change. that shadow has right there. And looking pretty good so far. We could probably throw a little bit of a color change here at the front of the mouth, a la those Sonic characters. Draw like a shadow. Haha, another shadow. Every time I say that, I'm like, dang. All right, shadow here under the neck. Cool, cool, cool. And then at this point, let's draw some texture in there, right? So underneath the eye, right? Right there. Maybe fill in the eyeball a little bit. But we're throwing little curvatures for curvature here. Line over here. Line over here. And more line over here. Curve, curve, curve. And maybe put like some darkness over here on this side. Line over here as well. Right on. And we're just throwing these little, and I've said this on a lot of the videos, I'm sprinkling these little curved lines right here for texture, right? He's probably going to be more scaly than he is hairy, right? Because I know, you know, Shadow from Sonic the Hedgehog, right? Shadow has mostly fur, right? But right now we're really leaning into the scaly thing, right? We're leaning into the scales of this. And like I said, remember, name this character. Name him. Give him a name. And if you're the only one, you're going to have your comment there for forever, pretty much. I'm going to like pin that comment. It'll be right at the top. If you just give me a name for this character, what would you think? And like I said, now we're drawing these little thin tertiary lines everywhere. We're tertiary meaning they're not primary, right? The primary lines are on the outer edge. But right now we're just drawing these little curved shapes encompassing everything. And that's what's cool about it. I think it's cool to kind of, you know, break down your drawings in a certain direction. You know, and you just kind of keep working. Like you can work on this almost endlessly, really. You know, you can just go, okay, cool, boom, 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 boom. You kind of endlessly work on it for as long as you want, and it's just exciting to do so. But yeah, give me the name of that. Also, if you're watching this video at this point, say what's up in the comments section, and I will also say hello. Go back to other videos and give those characters names. I do these mixture drawings twice a week, right? So go back, try to name them, and get pinned. You know, get pinned for life on those things, on some of those other videos. I really will pin them, or at the very least reply to them. That is it. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Stick around for the next lesson. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.